Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel, Bubba Cookles Cooking Channel. Thank you for clicking on this video and enjoy watching.
Hey everyone! The ham and cheese toastie is a timeless classic, likely originating from the French Croque Monsieur of the late 19th century. It evolved into a globally popular snack, gaining further traction in the 1950s through variations like Clemens, Wilmenrod's Toast Hawaii, and as a quick meal in American baseball parks. Today, it's considered a true cult snack, often prepared with cheese, ham, and butter. It's easy to make. For a classic ham and cheese toastie, spread butter on 2 slices of toast, top with ham and cheese, aka cheddar, and cook in a pan or pan-fried over medium heat until crispy and the cheese is melted.
Don't forget to like the video if you enjoyed it. Leave a comment and/or share it with your friends. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Thank you.